3, 2, 1.
What is the study of the physical world, its laws and properties called? The answer is B. Physics. Malcolm X, the founder of the Organization of Afro-American Unity, was born in what U.S. city? The answer is D. Omaha. What poem by Sam Levinson did Audrey Hepburn like to recite to her sons? The answer is B. Time-tested beauty tips. What is the unit for measuring data transmission speed? The answer is B. Gigabit. Name the bacteria that make food through photosynthesis and release oxygen into the air. The answer is D. Cyanobacteria. What occurs when waves interact with other waves? The answer is D. Interference. What is the release of energy in the form of high-energy electromagnetic waves? The answer is B. Gamma emission. Which molecule is a primary source of energy in cells? The answer is B. Protein. What was the original name of the British rock band Sweet before they adopted their final name? The answer is B. The Sweet Shop. What is a recession according to the National Bureau of Economic Research? The answer is A. 2 consecutive quarters of economic decline. According to the Big Bang Theory, how is the universe changing? The answer is B. It is expanding. Which structure is the first example of suspended deck bridge in the world? The answer is C. Brooklyn Bridge. The lost city of the Incas, Machu Picchu, was featured prominently in what 21st century movie? The answer is C. The Motorcycle Diaries. Which country is often referred to as the land of the rising sun? The answer is B. Japan. What is the nickname of Tom Cruise's character in the 1986 movie Top Gun? The answer is D. Maverick. What event occurred at the end of WW2 in Europe? The answer is C. Unconditional surrender. Which of these would create the most sound if struck with a metal spoon? The answer is D. The chassis of a car. Who uses Terry Crowley to infiltrate the strike team in the first season of The Shield? The answer is C. Captain David Acevedo. Which of the following terms means to recede? The answer is B. Ebb. What was the real name of the woman in the movie Chinatown who approached Jake claiming to be Evelyn Cross Mulray? The answer is B. Ida Sessions. Who designed the Mondrian dress, a minimalist black and white design? The answer is B. Yves Saint Laurent. Although much of the heart's basic structure is complete by the end of the 5th week, what fetal structures remain until birth or shortly after? The answer is B. Blood shunts. Which pop star was originally named Stefani Germanotta? The answer is A. Lady Gaga. What is the solution to the equation 3x7 equals 18 when rounded to the nearest whole number? The answer is C. 7. What wears a shirt but never puts it on? A house. The answer is A. Correct. What are in leaves that function as solar collectors and food factories? The answer is B. Chloroplasts. Which of the following pairs is wrong? It is the representative who took part in writing the draft of the Declaration and their state. The answer is B. Roger Sherman, New York. Which can provide the most energy in an ecosystem? The answer is D. A grassy meadow. Which city has a skyline dominated by super tall buildings? The answer is A. Dubai. What is a utensil with a long handle and a sharp point called? The answer is D. Spear. The famous Isle Notre Dame, an artificial island built from earth excavated for a metropolitan railway, is located in which country? The answer is D. Canada. In tennis, Hamilton enters the server between the previous points and the sign he slashes search the bell for the next point to avoid the consent but the umpire delaying the game. The answer is B. 20 seconds. Getting the same result when an experiment is repeated is called what? The answer is D. Replication. What state of matter is characterized by tiny particles separated by large distances, which do not experience any force of attraction or repulsion with each other? The answer is B. Gas. What is the title of the last chapter in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, the 4th book in the Harry Potter series? The answer is B. The beginning. What is so small that it takes two to make a right angle? The answer is D. A needle. What can be seen but not heard and is found in a museum? The answer is A. Artwork. What aircraft was used by the United States Navy's Blue Angles demonstration team prior to adopting the F/A-18 Super Hornet? The answer is B. A4. Who is the founder of Microsoft? The answer is B. Zuckerberg. There are a total of 8 planets that orbit the Sun. How many of the other planets orbit in the same direction as Earth? The answer is D. 7. A screwdriver is used to pry the lid off a paint can. The resistance arm is 0.5 centimeters. The effort arm is 20 centimeters. What is the mechanical advantage of the screwdriver?
The answer is D. 40.
Why does the body react to a loss of chloride ions? The answer is A. Increased bicarbonate reabsorption. What is the top speed that a Komodo dragon can reach? The answer is B. 13 mph. What can cause a process that has a negative effect on the environment? The answer is C. Tillage. What does a saw cut through primarily? The answer is A. Metal. In what city was Black Sabbath formed? The answer is A. Birmingham. What is a decomposer? The answer is A. A living thing that breaks down dead organisms. Which game is known for its iconic line, "All your base are belong to us"? The answer is B. Metal Gear Solid. What French Enlightenment writer, historian, and philosopher made the following remark about ice cream? Ice cream is exquisite. What a pity it isn't illegal. The answer is D. Voltaire. What year did the Tate/LaBianca murders take place?